Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hey Sarah, how are things?
Hey Ben, good to see you. Everything's going well, thanks for asking. How about you?
Busy as always, but I can't complain. Coffee break with a friend is a nice way to unwind.
Absolutely. So, what's new and exciting in your world?
Actually, I've been getting really into birdwatching lately. It's a great way to get outside and connect with nature.
Wow, that's unique. What kind of birds have you seen?
I've mostly spotted robins, cardinals, and blue jays so far. But I'm hoping to catch a glimpse of a hummingbird soon.
That would be amazing. I've always loved watching hummingbirds flit around flowers. I might have to try birdwatching sometime.
You should. It's surprisingly relaxing and can be quite rewarding. Plus, it's a wonderful way to learn more about the local wildlife.
Maybe we can go birdwatching together sometime. Besides birds, anything else keeping you busy?
I've also been learning how to play the ukulele. It's a small, portable instrument, perfect for carrying around.
No way. That's awesome. Have you learned any songs yet?
A few simple ones. It's a bit challenging, but definitely a fun way to learn something new.
You're always trying new things. I admire that.
Thanks. What about you? Anything exciting happening on your end?
This weekend I'm going rock climbing with a group of friends. It's a great workout and a total adrenaline rush.
Rock climbing. That sounds intense. Have you done it before?
I've tried it a couple of times and I love it. It's a fantastic way to push your limits and conquer your fears.
More power to you. Sounds like an adventurous weekend. What are you planning for Sunday?
Probably just chilling at home, reading a good book and catching up on my favorite podcasts.
Sounds like a well-deserved rest. I might do the same on Sunday after my family visit.
Sounds like a good plan. Well, it was great catching up, Ben.
Definitely. See you soon, Sarah.
See you later. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there.
No worries, it happens. Looks like we were both in a hurry.
Yeah, I'm running late for work. But hey, at least it's Friday, right?
Definitely. Can't wait for the weekend. Any exciting plans?
Not really, Just hoping to catch up on some sleep and maybe binge watch a new series on Netflix. What about you?
Same here, although I might try to squeeze in a hike if the weather holds up.
That sounds nice. I've been meaning to spend more time outdoors myself.
Yeah, it's a great way to unwind and recharge after a busy week. Hey, speaking of outdoor activities, have you ever been rock climbing?
No, I haven't. Is it difficult?
It can be challenging, but it's also a lot of fun. I actually go climbing every weekend with a group of friends. You should join us sometime.
That sounds intriguing. I'll have to think about it. Thanks for the invite, though.
Of course. It's always more fun to climb with others. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people and stay in shape.
Yeah, I can see how that would be appealing. I'll definitely consider giving it a try.
So, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small advertising agency downtown. How about you?
I'm a software developer. I work remotely for a tech startup based in California.
That's cool. Do you enjoy what you do?
Yeah, I love it. I've always been passionate about technology and problem solving, so it's a perfect fit for me.
That's great to hear. It's so important to find a job that you're passionate about.
Absolutely. Hey, do you like sushi?
Love it. Why do you ask?
Well, there's this amazing sushi place not too far from here. Would you like to grab lunch together sometime?
I'd love to. Thanks for